What is the Magnuson-Stevens Act? Have you ever wondered how the United States manages its vast marine resources? The answer lies in a key piece of legislation known as the Magnuson-Stevens Fishery Conservation and Management Act. This act, enacted in 1976, is the primary federal law that governs marine fisheries management in U.S. waters. It established U.S. jurisdiction over marine fisheries up to 200 nautical miles offshore, creating a special zone to protect domestic fish stocks from overexploitation, especially by foreign fishing fleets. The main goals of this act are to prevent overfishing, rebuild overfished fish populations, and ensure sustainable use of marine resources. This means that fish stocks can remain as healthy and productive for future generations. The Act achieves these goals by setting science-based limits on how many fish can be caught each year. These limits, known as annual catch limits, are designed to allow fish populations to reproduce and maintain their numbers over time. To manage fisheries effectively, the Magnuson-Stevens Act established regional fishery management councils. These councils develop fishery management plans that include conservation measures and regulations tailored to the specific needs of different regions and species. The Act also requires accountability measures to prevent exceeding catch limits and to address any overages when they occur. In 1996, the Act was amended by the Sustainable Fisheries Act. This amendment added provisions to protect essential fish habitats, which are areas crucial for fish spawning, breeding, feeding, or growth to maturity. This change recognized the importance of habitat conservation in sustaining fish populations. It also required federal agencies to consult with the National Marine Fisheries Service when their actions might harm these habitats. Further amendments in 2007 strengthened the Magnuson-Stevens Act by mandating the use of annual catch limits and accountability measures to more effectively end overfishing. The reauthorization also introduced limited access programs to control fishing effort and encouraged international cooperation to manage highly migratory species that cross national boundaries. From the perspective of marine life and sea animals, the Magnuson-Stevens Act plays a vital role in conserving ocean ecosystems. It regulates human fishing activities to prevent depletion of fish stocks. By focusing on sustainable harvest levels, habitat protection, and rebuilding overfished populations, the Act helps maintain biodiversity and supports healthy food webs. This legal framework balances the needs of fishing communities with the long-term health of marine ecosystems, aiming to secure the survival and resilience of sea animals and their habitats.